I was able to get us here.
Why? What happened with your? I like how it's reversed.
Yeah. We made it.
Yeah. You just see the old age of it. Straight. Wow. Streets of Venice. I mean, yep. I'll go in there, yeah. Hey, it's Venice all over again.
We used to have a restaurant.
Holy
Look how high that is.
I know. Is that way or this way? That's by the river.
That says Medova. No, that's not the town, is it? Medova?
My mom's girlfriend. My mom's
Medona. Right off the dinner.
Wow.
Look how far we walked past the Ferris wheel.
I know. Want to come over here?
Ja, ik kom bijna.
Feels so good.
It really does remind me of Frankfurt.
Yeah. See all the, it just looks old. A lot of jewelry.
Just like in Paris. I mean, LA, remember in LA how
Oh yeah. Yeah, that looks more going away from the center here. Okay, we can turn around. Look, there's a restaurant right there. Right in front of us.
No.
You want something right here?
Quem poderia ser o mestre? Nós moramos no Palácio de Tuscany.
Oh, it's right here too. Yeah, I think so.